There are many ways to make money online, and each one has its own set of benefits and drawbacks. Here are 5 of the most common ways to make money online. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is a great way to make extra money while you're still in school or working full-time. You can work as a freelancer for a variety of companies, and you can choose which projects you want to work on. 2. Investing. One of the best ways to make money online is to invest. You can invest in stocks, bonds, and other types of investments. Investing can be risky, but it can also be very profitable. 3. Making videos. If you have a creative side and you want to make money from your videos, you can start making money from YouTube. You can make money from advertising on your videos, and you can also sell your videos to other websites. 4. Selling products. One of the most common ways to make money online is to sell products. You can sell products on Amazon, eBay, and other websites. It can be hard to make a lot of money from selling products, but it can be very rewarding. 5. Writing. One of the best ways to make money online is to write. You can write articles for websites, and you can also write books. Writing can be a very rewarding activity, and it can also be very lucrative.